Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will be showing you how I add stickers to glass. You can also use this method for pictures or anything that you want to cut out of a book, any kind of paper, decals. You'll need paintbrushes, Mod Podge, my favorite. And this is the glass I'm going to be using. This is my plants. I have about 6 of them. If this one turns out okay, then I will do the others. I found these stickers at Dollar Tree. They were $1 and there was about 8 of them. I thought they were funny and I liked them. When placing the sticker, start in the middle and then move down. Then you can start pressing away from the middle. That'll help eliminate any creases. A small paintbrush would work a lot better, but when I was putting this video together, I realized that my 2 small paintbrushes that I had picked to use were already glued hard. I don't know what happened to them. So I have to use this big one. The smaller ones would be a lot easier though, because then they won't be so messy. Make sure you cover the whole sticker, that way it seals to the glass. I'm just cleaning up the edges because I had to use the giant paintbrush. It'll dry clear. The Mod Podge that we're using in this video is going to dry clear and glossy. When you're all done, you can let it dry for a couple hours. I would let it dry overnight just to be sure. While I was looking around my house, I saw that I also had these candles. So I'm going to give this a try with a sticker and see how this one turns out. This time I'm trying something different. I'm going to use a piece of tape to see if that could help me get the sticker more level. I was focusing so much on trying to get it level that I didn't realize that I accidentally got hair stuck in the tape. Maybe the tape isn't such a good idea. It was at this point when I realized that the tape is a horrible idea. When I took the tape off, it took off part of the sticker with it. Oh well. I learned something. Also, I ended up putting the sticker over the candle sticker. Well, no point in stopping now. like I did with the plant sticker, just go ahead and cover the entire area, trying to not get a lot on the actual candle glass, but just enough to hold the sticker down. When you got it all covered, set it aside and let it dry overnight. Back to the plants. I have 2 more left to do. This is them after a couple of hours. I'm very happy with them. I think they came out really nice. I did put a little bit too much glue on some of them, and even though it dried clear, it doesn't look very good. You can still see it when it's close up. And you can see where the tape ripped off that one as well. But they came out really nice. I'm very happy with them, and I will... The candle. Don't go to that side. Aww. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button below and subscribe for future videos.